Destructuring in JavaScript. Destructuring in JavaScript is a convenient way of extracting multiple values from data stored in arrays or objects and assigning them to variables in a more concise and readable manner. It allows us to get specific pieces of data out of complex structures like arrays and objects. Let's discuss array destructuring. In a task management application, each task represented by an array. Like const task equals array containing elements of complete project, high, and incomplete. Now we want to extract and display the tags by destructuring, by write, const title, priority, status equals task array. Now we display the data like document.write, task is title, document.write, priority is priority, and document.write, status is status. And it shows me title as complete project, priority as high, and status as incomplete, like a structured manner. You can destructure data with any name as your requirement.